Hello, my name is Benjamin Needham with Needham Ag Technologies, and today this is an installational video showing you how to install our V8 firming wheel with the urethane tire. The urethane tire is very flexible, more flexible than rubber, more flexible than any of the other firming wheels out on the market. Whenever you purchase this wheel from Needham Ag, you will receive a narrow head grade 8 bolt. The head's about a third of the height of a regular 5/8 bolt head, and the reason is so that it does not conflict with the lip of the gauge wheel. If you use a regular height bolt head on a regular 5/8 bolt, it could conflict with the lip of the gauge wheel and chew it up. So we have a grade 8 narrow head bolt, a grade 8 1/4 inch wide spacer, and a grade 8 lock nut. So whenever you install the wheel, you only need the 1/4 inch wide spacer between the wheel and the arm. People often call us and ask us and say, why don't I use the 1/2 inch spacer that was in there from the existing wheel? And that's because our wheel has a better, wider 5203 bearing, and because the bearing's wider, you no longer need the wide spacer. You only need the 1/4 inch wide spacer. So now I'm going to show you how to install it. The side of the wheel that has the 4 5/16 nuts is the side that you will install the head of the 5/8 bolt. Then you'll put your 1/4 inch spacer on. Again, only the 1/4 inch spacer is needed, no other washers or spacers. You'll then install your wheel in place, you'll install your lock nut, and you will torque to approximately 160 foot-pounds. I hope you found this video useful. If you have questions about some of our other products, such as our 20-point closing wheel, our urethane narrow gauge wheel assemblies, our discs, our vanilla seed tabs, we have many products for John Deere drills and air seeders. Please call our office or visit our website, needhamag.com. We have several other videos on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.